As far as forex trading is concerned, as far as buying foreign currency and selling it, if you do not break any rules of the Sharia, if you follow all the rules of the Sharia and you're within the rules of Sharia as far as trading is concerned, it is permissible. For example, if a person goes and buys a foreign currency, if you exchange your dollar and buy sterling pounds, and later on, after a few weeks or a few months, the sterling pound goes higher, and you sell the sterling pound back and get a bigger amount of dollars than what you purchased for, it is permitted, as long as it is done on the spot with your own money. But when you do forex trading on a larger scale, with different things involved, there are many haram things involved in it. Directly buying from the exchange, keeping with you, then selling as long as it is your money, and no other thing, haram thing is involved, it's permissible. But normally what happens in forex trading when you do on a higher level, there are many associated haram things involved. For example, you may book for buying and then you may delay. You pay some money and delay the deal. This is haram. And you pay some money, that's called as riba. You may trade in margin. So you pay only 10% and the balance somebody else pays, and then you share the profit with it. Our beloved Prophet said that if you give loan to someone, you cannot involve profit in it. Or if you take loan from someone, you cannot give him profit. So this becomes haram, this becomes riba. So many things are associated with forex trading, especially when you do on a large scale. There may be futures, which is haram. There may be options, which is haram.